Hello guys, so if you're looking to create UI or UX designs from Midjourney, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So there are basically two ways how you can create a UI UX design in Midjourney. The first way is by entering the prompt itself in the chat and asking Midjourney to create some samples according to your visualization that you have made through the prompts. Or you can use the inspiration image that you can link, and then you can use that image to create some UI design similar to the link that you provided. Now I'm going to show you both the methods. The first method is by entering the prompt itself in the chat. So for that, just simply click on the chat section over here, then \imagine, then enter a prompt according to your visualization that you want to see in that particular app. So for me, it's a food delivery app that I want to create in a UI UX design. So I'm going to enter a few prompts: high quality UI design, food delivery mobile app, trending on Dribble and Pension. So after that, just simply hit enter, and after that you should see some results. So as you can see, it came up with some results. This is the first result and it is pretty good, but I also used the same prompt and created another variant of this image, but a little less style. So as you can see, this is also pretty good as well. You can create multiple variants using them as well. Just by clicking on the redo option over here, you can create variants as well. And if you want, you can change something over here if you have enabled the remix mode. So as you can see, it came up with the redo version as well, and they are looking pretty similar in the style version. So what you can try is add more details into your prompt. For that, again, start entering your prompt and give a more detailed prompt, like food delivery app user interface, then a software named Figma, Venture, then high quality 4K clean UI. Then hit enter. Now let's wait and see what results come out. So as you can see, it came up with multiple results. Now to get the best result, you have to completely redo it and add some more details and play around to get the best result. So as you can see, they all are pretty good looking. In my opinion, the fourth one over here is the most closest to what I really want. So if you want, you can also upscale it to look more clearly. So as you can see, this is a proper set of entire UI of an application that I want to make. Now, the other method that you can try is by uploading an image onto the chat and using that image as an inspiration. So for that example, I have chose this particular UI. Now, you can get a UI image on website from anywhere on Google. So just simply search for UI or UX design, mockup or concept. If you'll type that, you will find a design. Now, download design, just simply right click, save image as, then choose a location, then save. Now all you have to do is just simply open the image in Discord. So to do that, what you can do is just simply upload the image onto the Discord or just simply open it through Discord. I'm going to drag and drop onto Discord. So just simply drag and drop on Discord. Just like that, and hit enter. Now just simply click on the image and then right click on the image. You will find copy link, or you can just simply directly right click on it and copy link. Again, / paste the link, then add some details like UI design, and after entering a detail, just simply hit enter. Now wait for Midjourney to create some concept art. So as you can see, now it came up with a very promising result this time after using a concept design. Now as you can see, these are pretty good looking UI UX designs. Now I like the fourth and the second variant, so I'm going to enlarge it. So for that, just simply upscale 2 and 4, or if you want multiple variants, use the V2 and V4. If you want to make changes, you can also change some text over here if you have enabled remix in the settings. Now as you can see, the upscaled variant have appeared over here, and these are looking pretty good and can be easily used as a concept art for UI UX design. Now let's wait for the redo versions that we just want. Now let's wait for the redo versions. So as you can see, it came up with the redo versions as well, and they are pretty good. So that's how you can create UI UX designs in Midjourney. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.